Hey, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your hours on Fresha, a task that can be surprisingly simple but incredibly crucial for managing your business's appointments and client expectations effectively. Whether you're managing a salon, a spa, or any business that relies on scheduling, keeping your business hours updated on Fresha is essential. Let's dive into the steps to make sure your Fresha profile reflects your current operating times. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to Fresha for Business. This is where all the magic happens, where you can manage bookings, client relationships, and yes, your business hours. It's a comprehensive platform designed specifically for professionals like you in the beauty and wellness industry. After reaching the Fresha for Business page, your next move is to log in. Click on the login button to continue. Remember, this is your gateway to accessing all your Fresha features, so make sure you're ready with your login details. Upon clicking login, you'll see an option that says Fresha for Professionals. This is specifically for industry professionals looking to manage their appointments, so go ahead and click that. Now, Fresha offers a seamless login experience by allowing you to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your business email is managed through Google, as it streamlines the login process and gets you to your dashboard quicker. Choose your Google account linked to your Fresha account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Fresha profile to avoid any mix-up. Once logged in successfully, it's time to head over to online booking. This section encompasses everything to do with managing how clients can book appointments with you, and of course it's where you'll adjust your available hours. In the online booking section, look for the options button. This is your control panel for settings related to online bookings, including business hours, services offered, and more. After clicking on options, you'll want to select Edit Profile. This takes you to a page where you can edit various aspects of your business profile on Fresha. It's a crucial step in ensuring that all information presented to potential clients is accurate and up to date. Proceed by clicking Continue. This will navigate through different sections of your profile edit page. It's important to review any information here carefully to ensure it reflects your business accurately. Keep clicking. Continue until you see your business schedule. This is where you'll finally be able to adjust your working hours. Fresha's interface is designed to make this process intuitive, so you'll find it straightforward to define or modify your operating times here. Change your business hours as needed. Be meticulous with this step, as accurate hours are crucial for avoiding booking mishaps and ensuring clients know exactly when they can book your services. Fresha allows complete customization for each day of the week, enabling you to tailor your schedule precisely how you need it. After adjusting your hours, the last step is to click on Save and Exit. This will save all the changes you've made to your business hours, making them immediately visible to your clients and potential customers browsing Fresha for your services. And that's it. You've successfully updated your business hours on Fresha, ensuring your profile accurately reflects when you're available to offer your services. This not only helps in managing your bookings more efficiently, but also plays a vital role in attracting and retaining clients by providing them with up-to-date and accurate information. Remember, regular updates to your business hours and maintaining an accurate profile on Fresha can significantly impact your business's success on the platform. It's not just about managing appointments, it's about creating a seamless and trust-building experience for your clients. I hope this guide was helpful. Keep your business information updated, and here's to maximizing your success on Fresha.